Now, episode 2 on American English and British English. So now what I do, the first words I speak, they are in American English. The words they come next time, they are British English. Please try to understand this. I am not always telling American English, British English. The first words are American English. The first words are American English. The second words are British English. Please try to understand. What we say in America, what we say in Britain. Okay? First, let us see American English, then followed by British English words. Okay? Right? Vacation, holiday, gas, petrol, parking lot, car park, subway, underground, highway, motorway, chips, crisps, French fries, chips, cookie, biscuit, take out, take away, soccer, football, fall, autumn, garbage, trash, rubbish, garbage can, garden, store, shop, liquor store, off license, football, American football, elementary school, primary school, high school, secondary school, recess, break, schedule, timetable, grade, mark, cell phone, mobile phone, elevator, lift, flashlight, torch, downtown, city center, diaper, nappy, line, queue, closet, wardrobe, zipper, zip, drugstore, chemist, restroom, toilet, maths, trunk, boot, taxi, cab, maize, corn, rubber, eraser, motorway, highway, petrol, gasoline, film, movie, post, mail, holiday, vacation, boot, trunk, tin, can, curtain, drape, torch, flashlight, tap, faucet, jelly, jello, trousers, pants, pajamas, underground, subway, cooker, stove, windscreen wiper, windshield wiper, waistcoat, vest, lift, elevator, rubbish, garbage, chips, fries, queue, line, number plate, license plate, pavement, sidewalk, sellotape, scotch tape, lorry, truck, garden, yard. Different spellings in American English and British English. COLOUR, color in British English. COLOR, color in American English. LABOUR, labor in British English. LABOR, labor in American English. Humor, humor in British English. Humor, humor in American English. Theatre, theater in British English. Theater, theater in American English. Centre, center in British English. Center, center in American English. Metre, meter in British English. Meter, meter in American English. Defence, defense in British English. Defense in American English. Offence, offense in British English. Offense, offense in American English. Licence, license in British English. Licence, license in American English. Travelled, traveled in British English. Travelled, traveled in American English. Travelling, traveling in British English. Travelling, traveling in American English. Cancelled, cancelled in British English. Cancelled, cancelled in American English. Cancelling in British English. Cancelling in American English. Labeled in British English. Labeled in American English. Labeling in British English. Labeling in American English. So now you have learned the difference between American English and British English. So you have seen the American spelling and British spelling. Spelling in English is called orthography. Orthography means spelling. You have seen both American spelling, British spelling. So in spelling, grammar, pronunciation, even vocabulary, the words are different in America and Britain. When you go to Britain, use British English. When you go to America, use American English. So in this episode, you have learned some words which are different in Britain and America. Okay? We will meet in the next episode for further reading, for further listening, for further learning. Okay? Thank you. Hyderabad Hari Prasad signing off.